felt like.
Pray for our generation!
In March and June this year, hundreds of us from many different churches came together for the One Heart Sound United in Prayer gatherings.
We've worshipped our hearts out, we've called out to God, and we've seen the start of a brand new prayer momentum with a specific focus on the young people and the younger generation.
Can our generation be saved?
We believe in an awesome God whose passion is to save every single young person in our borough and beyond.
We are believing for a mighty move of God now, and in the days ahead we are stepping up and now moving forward in prayer.
This year has already seen many people adopting the first Monday of the month as a day of fasting and prayer for the younger generations.
Thank you for standing in the gap and pressing into prayer.
There is hope for our generation.
We know that prayer is the difference between what we have known and all that we could see God do in these days. There's purpose for our generation.
There is freedom for our generation.
We passionately believe that Jesus is still the hope of the world and the way, the truth and the life for every child, every teenager and every young adult.
Will you stand with us as we seek God for an outpouring of hope and a tidal wave of salvation for our generation?
Whoever you are, whatever your age, whether you've been to the prayer gatherings or not, if you have a passion to see a move of God amongst the people of our region, then join us for the last United Prayer Gathering of 2019.
So leaders, tell your congregations, youth pastors, bring your young people. It's going to be an awesome time together.
See you at Primrose Hill Community Church, 8 p.m. Monday, 2nd of September.
That you can't explain. He's the hope in the heartbreak, the rest in the suffering. He's closer than the air you breathe, from the start to the end, to the in between. Don't you dare doubt even for a minute.